Attention in Camotes Island, Cebu. Get ready for an amazing shopping experience. The Anchor Grand Caravan will be held March 5 to 10, 2026 at the beautiful Bibog San Francisco, Camotes Island, Cebu. Enjoy exclusive deals and promotion, big discounts on appliances, furnitures, motorcycles, dry millers, gadgets, and home essentials. 1,826 down payment for Bajaj RE as low as 226 down payment, big cash discount. We offer flexible payment via in-house financing, home credit, and Skyro. Bring your family and friends and experience amazing deals in one convenient location. Mark your calendar, March 5 to 10, 2026. See you in the Bibog San Francisco, Camotes Island, Cebu. Apply today, get approved fast, and take your items home right away.
Kaagapay mo, alay sa'yo ng M-Core, ginhawa ng buhay. M-Core, sukli ng iyong pagsisikap, katuparan ng pangarap, handog sa'yo. Panatag na ngayon ang iyong kalooban, maibibigay mo ng kaginhawaan. Kaya kahit na malayo ka, iniisip mo'y kapakanan nila.